Welcome, this is Rajiv Daji from XZ Global Solution Private Limited. Today, 3rd of April 2013, we will start with Forex market. Coming to Euro is trading at the level of 1.2840. Euro is trading in a very wide range of around 1.2740, 1.2750 as a lower time support level, and on higher side, it is failing to cross the level of 1.2875. I have seen a very good selling pressure from the level of 1.3050, 1.3045 levels and taking a support level of 1.2750. Some slight range bound expected, a slight rise is expected in the initial before US market opening, but if sustained trading is seen above the level of 1.2880, then only some buying pressure is expected. Otherwise, one can wait for the level of 1.2850, 1.2855 level to go for a short into the market. Whereas on lower side, I'm expecting to retest the level of 1.2800 to 1.2760 levels on lower side, and sustain trading below 1.2760. Some slight sell-off can be seen to test the level of 1.2720, a fresh low, and trading to test the level of 1.2680 levels on lower side. Coming to Great Britain Pound, Great Britain Pound is trading at the level of 1.5131 levels. And on higher side, it has been tested the level of 1.2650. Yesterday evening, after the US market opening, it has made a double top formation where we have published a report at the level of 1.205220, and on the lower side, it tested the lower level of 1.5075. Just near the previous support level where it was consolidating at the near the support level. If sustained trading is seen below level of 1.5070, 1.5065, further sell-off can be seen to test the previous bottom of 1.4850, 4860 levels. Short bounce is expected to retest the 10 days moving average in 4 hours chart, whereas it might test the level of 1.5160, 1.5150 levels, and slight reversal can be expected. Right now, it is one can go for a short in the range of 1.5135, 1.5145, 55 range, and a stop loss of 1.5200 is advisable on higher side, whereas on lower side, I'm expecting to retest the level of 1.5070 as the first target, and the next target below 1.5070 to test the level of 1.5020 to 10 level on lower side. So that's a sell call in pound as well. Coming to Australian dollar in 4 hours chart, intraday it is making a near the resistance level of 1.0500. Sustained trading above 1.0500, I'm expecting a uptrend to continue, where 1.0525 will be the immediate resistance level, and further trading above 1.0525. Next target will be the level of 1.0580 to 1.0620 levels on higher side. Failing to cross 1.0500, and sustained trading is seen below the level of 1.0450. 445. So that will be the support range into the market, and if sustained trading is seen below 1.0445, some downtrend can be seen to retest the level of 1.03 to 390 levels on lower side. So one can go for a risky short sell at current market price of 1.048590 range. Stop loss of 1.0505, 510 on higher side with a target of 1.0450 to 1.0420 levels on lower side, where profit booking is advisable on the lower level. That's not the currency. Let's look for the bullion market. Gold is trading at the level of 1574 after yesterday's very good sell-off into the market from the level of around 1603, 1605 levels. It has given a very good sharp sell-off after the technical breakout of level of 1592. It has tested the lower level of 1563. It was just near the previous bottom of 1555. On closing basis, a support level of 1560 levels. Failing to cross 1560, reversal is expected, and as a profit booking, we can look at a retracement level expected of 50% retracement into the market after fall, where it can retest the level of 1.16. 1582 levels can be retested on higher side, whereas it might retest the level of 1586. Sustained trading above 1586, it might re-enter into the 16,000 zone again. Till the time on lower side support of 1565, 64 is holding, advisable to go for a long into the market where uptrend might continue to retest yesterday's high. On higher side, as we are expecting 1620 to 1617 is a very good resistance level, and sustained trading above 1617, reversal is expected in the market. Coming to silver, silver is trading at the level of 27.2. Sharp sell-off was seen yesterday in the US market, where the market has given a sell-off from the level of $28.2, $28.3 to retest the level of trading below 26.9. So short bounce is expected into the market to retest the level of 27.5, 27.8 levels till the time support of 27 to 26.9 is holding. Advised to go for a long in silver as well. Coming to oil is trading at the level of 109.8, $110 range. I'm expecting some slight correction is expected into oil till the time it is below the level of 111. I'm expecting 108 to 107.5 to retest on the lower side. The previous just recent bottom what we have seen, a short bounce back was seen just as a profit booking, but trading is expected to continue on the lower levels, and first support is seen at the level of 109.4 and 109.4, 109.5. Sustain trading below the same, expected to continue the downtrend where 108 to 107.5 is the next target on lower level. So go for a short into the market. Stop loss of 110.5 is advisable. Around 70 pips stop loss with a target of 109 will be the first, second will be 108, and next will be 107.5. So that's a trading call for the day. Our next trading session. Thank you.